guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute, it's been a really long minute, it's been 4 months. And I'm sorry, but I'm back again with another YouTube video, and I said why not come back with something more exciting, so this is it. So today's video we're going to be making my gala dress, and yes, we're gonna be making my gala dress. I'm supposed to be wearing this dress sometime this month, but unfortunately due to coronavirus I would not be having my gala anymore. But I was like, I'm still gonna make this dress, but instead I'll make it into something simpler. And I really like the dress. I like how it turned out. It was simple, it was cute, and I hope you guys like it too. So if you do like it, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you aren't part of our family yet, please hit that subscribe button. Oh my god. Hit that subscribe button down below. Yeah, like, subscribe, and you can follow me on my social media. I'll put my handles down below here, and also drop a link down in the description box. And we should get right into this video, guys. See ya. And to start out, so first we check which side stretches the most, and apparently both sides of this stretches. And I think I want the lines facing downwards instead of slanted like that. And what I'm going to do next is to lay it down on the table and fold it. The next thing I'm going to do is cut the edge here. I don't know if you can see it, cut it from the tip here. So the next thing I'm going to do is cut out some few things. I'm going to cut it out till about here, 14, and then I'll mark that down. Anyways, at the back I want the v-neck to be at 17 inches long, so I'll chuck that out. And oops, where does 17 start? So we cut that out first. I'm probably gonna regret this. So that would be for the bottom. Okay, so I would cut the back out this way. Okay, right now I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to cut this. Okay, something like this, yeah. And then, but since we need it around here, just mark that. So far, this is it for this part. I don't know what I'm doing. Clearly, you can see that. Okay, guys, so the first things we're going to join now is this to that over here, and repeat the same thing over here. Alright, that's done and over with. The next thing I'm going to do is just give these two huge dots, and to do that I folded this like so, and then I also folded here, and I'm just going to take it where that starts from, and then I'll repeat the same step here where I would fold here, and then just bring that all the way and just like go like that. So that's what I'm going to do now. The next step, drum roll please, is to fix these two together. Make the two ends here kiss at exactly where the joining thing is at. There we go. Take your pin, if you do have one. I don't know if I have one actually. Pin that down. So that way. The next thing for me to do is hem round, right round the neckline all the way to the back. I think I'm going to make the back a bit deeper because yeah. Okay, so I think I'm gonna give up on this paper method. It's like twice as much work, and instead I'm going to use a candle this time. So what I'm going to do is roll the candle, connect. Alright, I think that's enough. So the next thing is to fold it and sew. So the next thing I'm going to do is close the back. So connect the two sides and then just close it all the way down. I'm not going to measure it, I'm just going to do it how I think we can find. And just start sewing. I'm going to mark my slit right now. It's gonna be up here, and I'm just going to cut that. So take a pencil. That's where I'm cutting my slit at. I've laid down the dress, and I've also folded it at where I've marked for the slit. So what I'm going to do is take my scissors and just cut it open. There we go. And now we have a slit. So the next thing I'm going to do for the dress now is to pipe this all round. So from where I put the slits at, I'm going to sew this on here all the way around the bottom of the dress. So from the slits round all the way around. So yeah, I'll get that done now. And how to do this is to start at the top here. Set your machine to a zigzag. I'm going to use the D here and just stitch that on. Next thing to do is, what's the dress? Is put a strap, and I'm going to use these as the strap. It's a little dry though, but it don't matter. So strap starts from, where am I standing? No, this way. Strap starts from about here and then goes all the way in here. Where am I looking at? Yeah. I'm doing the V at the back, so yeah, it is what it is. Stick that in here and sew it down. The other side, I repeat the same thing basically. And I'm just going to use my shoulder now and try and get this here. And just like run stitches over that.
You touch me, hit it early